Hey there everyone, my name is Roshni Miranda and this is my video submission for Engineering Connections. The topic I'll be talking about is one of Europe's most architectural oddities ever, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, or Torre Pendente di Pisa, is a freestanding bell tower of a church. It is famous for its 4-degree tilt, known for the unstable foundation it was built on. Now, let us dive into the engineering aspects of this distinguished tower. The building that took almost 200 years to build was not built on solid, strong foundation. It was built on soft ground, and due to that, the tower began to lean by the time the builders got to the third story in 1178. Thus, over the course of 800 years, the tower leaned at least 1 millimeter a year. However, in an attempt to solve this problem, the following stories were built shorter on the leaning side, but that just caused the tower to sink in even more. The engineers tried their best with every story to come, and the belt chamber was almost nearly 90 degrees. The foundations are not the only reason why the Leaning Tower of Pisa is considered a structural engineering failure. Human error and inaccurate measurements were a major contribution, but so were the poor choices of material used. The tower is short, heavy, and inflexible, having been made out of marble and lime. This would make the tower susceptible to major destruction in the instance of harsh weather or even earthquakes. It is clear that the engineering that went into this building was very heedless and imprudent. However, times have changed drastically, and now that we are in the 21st century, we have successfully built among buildings such as Sydney Opera House and Gherkin, to name a few. This is why we should put in a lot of thought and effort into the design, construction, and operation of any contraption. We should not let history repeat itself. So, we as future engineers have the responsibility to prioritize every aspect, be it engineering or ethical, when contracting a project for the betterment of society and our future. That is all. Thank you so much for tuning in.